In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoho sheet. Whether you're collaborating with a team or managing a project on your own, Zoho Sheet offers a powerful platform to sort, organize, and analyze data efficiently. Let's dive in and get started. First, if you're not already on Zoho Sheet's main dashboard, navigate to it. Once there, you'll see several options on your screen like Recents, My Spreadsheets, and Shared with Me. Each one plays a crucial role in helping you manage your documents and stay organized. For instance, Recents provides easy access to the sheets you've opened or edited recently. This can be especially handy when you're working on multiple projects and need to switch tasks quickly. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options such as Favorites, where you can pin your most used spreadsheets for easy access. If you find yourself returning to specific sheets often, marking them as a favorite can save you time and hassle. Next, there's Workflows, which is particularly robust when you're part of a team and need to streamline tasks. Here, you can see tasks waiting for your action. Having everything centralized on one screen can significantly boost efficiency when managing multiple projects. If you're looking to launch a new project, you'll love the Templates section. Click on Templates to explore a variety of ready-made designs suited for different purposes. From documents to automation, templates can help streamline the process, whether you need something as simple as a budget tracker or as complex as a project management sheet. Choose the one that fits your needs best, or start from scratch if you have a custom plan in mind. To create a new Zoho sheet, simply click on the New Spreadsheet button. Once inside, you're free to populate your sheet with data, use formulas, and apply various data visualization tools that Zoho provides. Don't forget, Zoho Sheet also offers the ability to collaborate in real time. Just click on the Share button to invite team members or stakeholders to join in, facilitating collective brainstorming or project updates. Remember to regularly save your work, as nothing is more frustrating than losing hours of effort. If you ever make a mistake, the undo button is your friend. Use it liberally. For organizational purposes, give your spreadsheet a unique name that's easily identifiable in the future. Finally, in case you need to tidy up or recover an accidentally deleted file, head over to the Trash section. Files can sit in the trash for a while before permanent deletion, so it provides a safety net for reinstating vital data. I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Zoho Sheet. It's a versatile and collaborative tool, one that, when used effectively, can be the backbone of successful project management and data analysis. Thank you for watching, and happy data managing.